Hi, I'm Tiya.
And I'm Saachi. We are fourth graders and we've been coding for the last couple of years.
Our game is called the Penguin Maze. The aim of the game is to collect as many presents as possible while avoiding the seal. Every present collected increases your points. If the seal touches the penguin, you lose points. You can make the penguin bigger and smaller by using the S and B keys.
Another challenge the penguin faces is the water. If the penguin touches the water, the penguin will die and the game will end. This maze also has floating ice blocks which the penguin has to get on and over.
At the end of the maze, when the penguin touches the green flag, the next level begins. The maze in level 2 is harder than level 1. You can see how one iceberg is used by the penguin in the crossings of the maze twice.
The maze in level 3 is much harder than any of the other mazes because the presents move around randomly and the ice blocks move in 2 alternate directions, so there's only one time that you can cross them.
We learned a few new things in Scratch while building this game. We learned how to layer the penguin over the iceberg by using the layer block.
Another new block that we learned about is the text-to-speech block. We use this when the penguin touches the seal to say oops. This is a fun block to use.
This game helps improve hand-eye coordination. We had a lot of fun building this game. We hope you enjoyed